A 7-year-old accidentally someone, right?
Okay.
Is that the same as like an adult someone?
That's an
Both are,
accident.
Let's say the Tacloban case, right? They
Ah.
planned it, right? So it's premeditated, right? Alam ba nila yung consequences nila during that time na, oh yeah,
yeah,
no,
alam nila.
no, pinagtatawanan pa nila eh. If I was the lawyer, paglalabang ko yun, mananalo ko.
Wait, your argument that they don't know the consequences of their action rests on na nagtatawanan sila.
The whole conversation is it's absurd. That's really painful to really read. And for you to say na
But
pinagtatawan,
these are kids.
they even mention on that conversation that they can get away with it.
They don't know the
They know.
realities. And if it's a 30-year-old, yeah, of course, yeah.
Selectable, I have a simple question for you. What is exactly the consequence of their action that they don't know?
Clearly, they're still laughing. They're making fun of it,
No,
right?
no, no, no. Answer the question. Sabi mo, magiging lawyer ka, ilo-lawyer mo. Ang tanong
Kung
ko,
ilo-lawyer ko sila, mananalo yung
Exactly.
lawyer na yun dahil ipaglalaban
Hindi,
nila. They're still
matatalo sila.
underage.
Hindi, Selectable. Ito yung tatanong sa'yo ng prosecutor. What exactly is the consequence of their action that they don't know?
Diba, yun nga, di nila alam na pag sila, right? Na makukulong sila ng matagal. Okay? Ang
I know.
alam lang nila,
Selectable, may misapprehension of facts. Kasi, dun sa conversation, alam nila kung ano yung mangyayari sa kanila under the existing law. Which is, hindi nga sila makukulong ng
Yeah.
matagal.
And that's the reason why, Joey, they're laughing, because they can get away with it.
Yes, exactly. So,
they're
they're
not.
laughing because they know
Because
that they can get away
They can
with it.
get away with it. They know the exact loophole of that thing.
Well, they clearly don't understand the whole thing.
That is another argument that you think that the physical structure of the brain is different if you are from Tondo and if you are living
That's just actually so discriminatory.
and empirically false.
That is actually very unintelligent of
Yeah.
our society.
Ito may sasagutin tayo dito, Joey. Pwede bang i-ano mo si Selectable?
Anong comment niya?
Ayun yung, a 12-year-old crime is not the same as having 25-year-old committing a crime. Pwede bang umakyat si Selectable para magkaroon tayo ng matinong discussion? Maturity doesn't have anything to do with your ability to know the consequences of your action.
Of your crime.
Okay.
oo.
Those two are two different things. But maturity has something to do about the impulse of doing something because of what you think you should do. A person is mature if they have already achieved
Oo.
an impulse control. That is maturity. Bakla, huwag mo sabihin sa akin ng 12-year-old ka, hindi mo alam ang consequences na pag nakategi ka ay may mamamatay. Huwag mo sabihin hindi mo alam ang ganong consequence ng 12-year-old ka. You are actually lying to yourself and you are actually telling us that 12 years old, you wouldn't be able to know that consequence.
Selectable, enlighten us. Yung statement mo na yung 12 years old na nakakommit ng crime at yung 25 years old na nakakommit ng crime ay magkaiba. How do you distinguish that na magkaiba siya?
So my question is, are juveniles adults?
What
If
about
they're
it?
not adults, so they don't have
So-
the same rights as adults, right? So if
They
we're
don't
gonna
have the same rights.
the kids, they don't.
You're saying only adults can kill.
Hindi, before we entertain this argument Selectable, no, can you just give us an overall picture? Kasi ang argument mo is that a 12-year-old doesn't know the consequence of his or her action. Paano tayo napunta sa same rights?
You're talking about rights. We're not talking about rights here. We're talking about consequence of action.
So do they understand the realities as kids? Do they understand the realities and consequences? So it's the same thing as asking them, do they understand the realities of consequences of romantic relationship? So pag 12-year-old ka, alam ba nila yun? Do they understand the realities of consequences?
Selectable, I would just like to ask, are you saying that a 12-year-old has no understanding of any consequences of his or her action?
They're not fully developed
what you're
yet,
saying?
okay? So
No,
okay.
the answer. Hindi yung not developer. Of course, agree tayo dyan lahat. I would like to understand, okay, whether or not your position is a 12-year-old have no understanding of consequences of his or her action. So you said, hindi pa develop. Hindi yun ang pinag-uusapan natin yung whether develop yung utak niya o hindi eh. We're just talking about understanding. Because a not fully developed brain is still capable of understanding.
Understanding.
Different yan ha.
Oo. Kasi ganito, if you think na if they are not capable of understanding at 12-year-old anything,
Ba't ka ba
Anything.
pinag-aaral? Hindi niya
Anything.
maiintindihan yung lessons sa
Oo.
eskwelahan yan.
oh, to be honest,
At
selective.
12, do you guys
Hindi,
know
hindi.
the consequences and the realities of joining a military?
Selective oil. Okay, sinasabi mo, can a 12-year-old understand what are the consequences of joining a military? Okay, I will answer your question. In order for someone at any age to be able to understand anything, they need information. Halimbawa ako, right now, I don't know the consequences of actually joining the military because I don't have any idea or any information about that. Ngayon, if I give an information to a 12-year-old kid na sinabi ko na pag ikaw ay nakasaksak, mamamatay yung nasaksak mo at malulungkot at magagalit sa iyo ang mga magulang niyan habang buhay. Are you saying that a 12-year-old, hindi niya makikita yung consequence? Is that
Well,
your...
that's what I said
empirical-
earlier. It was from lack of parenting.
So, you're conceding that the problem is lack of information rather than the capacity of a 12-year-old.
Well, it
to
depends.
actually
Like it
process information.
depends, right? If you were
It
raised in a
depends
certain
on what?
society, it depends on where we raised. These kids, paano pinalaki ng mga magulang yan, and who is surrounding these kids?
Eh di mali na nga yung argument mo. Kasi ang argument mo, at 12-year-old cannot physically process
I
the
understand.
consequences of an action. Ang
Well,
sinasabi mo ngayon,
it's scientifically, ano naman di ba proven?
As-
As a
as
12-year-old,
let us not reduce the
Ano
mind
scientifically
with-
proven? What's that scientific experiment or study that you're talking about?
well,
You are saying scientifically proven yung whatever it is that you are referring to. What is the parameter of that study and what is being proved? Scientifically proven ang what?
scientifically proven na di pa fully developed pag underage ka, right?
But that's
we
that's-
understand that selective one.
We understand that
have
and we
established
agree with that.
Wait lang. The
Hmm.
prefrontal cortex is responsible for impulse control. Pero yung sinasabi mo selectable na because the brain doesn't yet have a prefrontal cortex, they would not be able to understand. It is scientifically wrong. Because has already been studied by neuroscientists that even toddlers can have a basic implicit understanding from right from wrong. You can Google this selectable, no? In order for you to understand, kasi you are giving a statement that actually has no empirical anchor. In fact, the concept of fairness, this is understood by toddlers themselves. That's why nagkakaroon nga ng jealousy because they understand na bakit siya dalawa, bakit
So
sa akin
something is
isa.
unfair. Oo.
I'm just saying, a child's brain's not developed enough to use reason and logic.
Sa akin lang naman, Joey, that doesn't mean na it's because it's not developed enough. It cannot commit a crime. That person
Well,
cannot.
like what I said,
commit-
everyone can commit a crime. Even a 7-year-old could commit a crime, okay? Even a 10-year-old could commit a crime. Pero the same ba yun as someone who has a fully adult brain?
Ano ibig mo sabihin ng the same? Is the consequence of the crime the same?
Yeah, well, someone died, right? Someone died, right?
Exactly.
But a 7-year-old accidentally someone, right?
Okay.
Is that the same as like an adult someone?
That's an
Both
accident.
are, pagdating sa adult, okay, magkaiba rin yung konsepto ng intentional crime at saka nung negligence or yung crime through accident.
I know, but your guys' point is someone died, right? Let's say the Tacloban case, right? They planned it, right? So it's premeditated, right? Alam ba nila yung consequences nila during that time na, oh yeah,
Yeah! Alam nila.
no, pinagtatawanan pa nila eh. If I was the lawyer, paglalabang ko yun, mananalo ko.
Wait, your argument that they don't know the consequences of their action rests on na nagtatawanan sila.
The whole conversation it's absurd. That's really painful to really read. And for you to say na
But
pinagtatawan,
these are kids.
they even mention on that conversation that they can get away with it.
They don't know the
They know.
realities. And
They-
if it's a 30-year-old, yeah, of course, yeah.
Selectable, I have a simple question for you. What is exactly the consequence of their action that they don't know?
Clearly, they're still laughing. They're making fun of it,
No,
right?
no. Answer the question. Sabi mo, magiging lawyer ka, ilo-lawyer mo. Ang tanong
Kung
ko,
ilo-lawyer ko sila, Mananalo
Exactly.
yung lawyer na yun dahil ipaglalaban
Hindi,
nila. They're still
patatalo sila.
underage.
Hindi, selectable. Ito yung tatanong sa'yo ng prosecutor.
They're
What
probably like I said, they would still get punished. They still would have to get punished. Pero they should be punished as child.
What exactly is the consequence of their action that they don't know?
Yun nga, di nila alam na pag nakapatay sila, right? Na makukulong sila ng matagal. Okay, ang
They know.
alam lang nila,
Alam
adult
nila,
sila.
selectable, may misapprehension of facts ka na. Kasi, dun sa conversation, alam nila kung ano yung mangyayari sa kanila under the existing law. Which is, hindi nga sila makukulong ng
Yeah.
matagal.
And that's the reason why, Joey, they're laughing. Because they can get away with it.
Yes, exactly. So,
They're
they're
not.
laughing because they know
Because
that they can get away
They can
with it.
get away with it. They know the exact loophole of that thing.
Well, they clearly don't understand the whole thing.
Okay, unang-una, selectable, I will just have to emphasize, you didn't mention any consequence of their action that they don't know when they were planning the thing. Ikalawa, meron kasi ditong hanging question, no? Siguro mga magulang to na, are you actually a parent?
Yes, I have a 26-year-old and an 19-year-old boys.
Okay, did you ever discipline your children?
Yes,
So why did you discipline your children?
because I don't want them to end up like these kids. And my kids play Roblox. My kids play Mortal Kombat. I let them watch movies. You know what I mean?
Did you discipline them thinking na, ay hindi ko to i-discipline kasi hindi pa naman fully form yung brain. Hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. So, just be honest. When you
Yeah,
were
of course.
disciplining-
That's why I let them watch those games because I
Wait,
try to
mali na
explain
yung-
to them. Wait,
It's
I try to explain to them this is not the reality. Okay, this is just video games. Okay, if you guys gonna do this in real life, you wait. You guys gonna if you guys gonna shoot someone, you guys gonna get the consequences. Which is this? What happened sa mga batang to, right?
Why need to discipline them if you believe that they did the action because hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung consequence? So what is the purpose of discipline?
Well, I discipline them so they won't end up like these kids.
No, hindi ang sinasabi ko
Para
sa'yo,
hindi sila maging
kung may
katulad nitong
mistake.
mga batang to. Ang tanong mo sa akin, di ba?
Hindi yan ang tanong ko. Ang tanong ko, uulitin ko selectable. Ito yung premise, okay? Your child committed a mistake. Kung kumupit sa wallet mo, yung anak mo at 12 years old, of course, you will discipline. Okay? Magagalit ka. Pero, if you sincerely believe the 12-year-old doesn't know the consequences of making kupit, which includes you getting angry at them because their brain is fully undeveloped, what is your purpose of disciplining them?
They won't make the same mistake at the same time.
Okay,
Eh?
pero
Then why are you questioning
disciplining them?
us when we beg for discipline on erring children?
What do you mean
Why do you
discipline?
question us?
I'm not questioning you guys. I'm just stating it's different.
So let's change the situation. So according to sa explanation mo, 25 years old, pagka-shoot niya yung another person, okay, papakulong mo, no question. Okay, 12 years old, ng another person, what are you going to do with the 12 years old? Sasabihan mo.
That's why you gotta have to put these kids. You gotta understand them. All right. So yung kanina sinabi accident. Are they doing this like purposely? Yung 12-year-old?
Yeah.
How did they end up? It depends nga on the crime.
They
If it's
planned. Okay,
accidentally.
selectable. Okay, this is the situation, the Tacloban situation. They
Okay.
planned it, they understood the law,
How old are
they
they?
know how to evade the
How
law.
old are this? How old
They
are
know
these kids?
12 years old. We're talking about 12 years old. Yung example
Okay.
mo
How?
una.
No.
Pinlano niya, alam niya
12-year-old.
yung juvenile justice loopholes.
Alam lang, 12-year-old yun ha. Lahat ha, taga-tondo yan ha. Alam lahat yan ha, ng taga-tondo. Let's say taga-tondo yung bata. Alam lahat yan.
There's discernment. There is discernment.
It depends. Like I said, it depends, right? Surrounded by tondoistics or whatever savages out there, right? Lagi bang ginagawa ng bata yon? Kung meron pa lang nung 11 years old siya, 10 years old siya, at 9 years old siya, may warning signs na mama siya ng 12-year-old. You gotta do something about that nung 10 years old pa lang siya.
So, yun nga yung question, selectable. What are you going to do with the 12-year-old?
You gotta rehabilitate them kasi meron pa lang, nung una pa lang, nung may nakita na kayong warning signs na ganun naka yung bata, nilagay nyo na dapat sa rehabilitation yun. Now, dahil walang, I don't know, walang financial help or walang government help para makapasok sila sa mga institution na ganon, nung 12 years old siya, ganun nangyari. Right? Ngayon, ganun na nangyari. It's too late already, right?
Let's go back to reality. Ang gustong mangyari ni Selectable,
Gusto ko mangyari. How could you say that? I didn't
that's
say
what you
anything.
said. That's what you said earlier, right? That was the question. What are you going to do? And you answered.
Oh my God.
Selectable, can you listen first?
I know, but you're putting words in my mouth. You're implying that I said that. I didn't even say that.
You said that.
I did. Well, I didn't
That
say
is the
that
answer
itself.
to my question. Okay? You're stupid, Selectable. To say that I am putting words in your mouth when you're specifically asked what you are going to do to a 12-year-old who knowingly another person. And you answered, idiot, that what you want to happen is for that child to be rehabilitated. And then you're going to tell me I'm putting words in your mouth? How stupid are you? Number one rule, wag tayo mag-bullshitan dito. Ang daming errors ng argument mo. Hindi mo naiintindihan yung nangyari, hindi mo naiintindihan yung facts. You actually confuse yourself with yung full development ng brain ng isang individual and understanding. A child, while the brain is not fully developed, doesn't mean the child is incapable of understanding. I do not know why you can't understand that. Okay, ngayon, balik tayo dun sa sinabi mo. Balik lang tayo dun sa sinabi mo na, kasi kung yung bata na yan, may tendency ng mamarila, dapat na rehab na yan, dapat na ano yan. Now, let's go back to existing system. What is the rehabilitation program that we have right now? A child will undergo intervention program, diversion program. Now, these programs, are these enough to reform or correct the brain of the child? Okay, is it enough to give justice, especially doon sa mga pamilyang napatayan niya?
Yung argumentation kasi, no, I really
It's all
don't
over
know.
the place.
The situation kasi, nang sinabi niya is wala kasing nakapagsabi nun sa bata, kaya hindi niya naintindihan. So the problem there is not a problem of lack of capacity of understanding, but the absence of information. Magkaiba yun, no? Kasi pag sinabi mo, di ba kaya ko nga sinasabi na, are you saying na wala silang capacity to understand that even if you give them information, they will not understand at all? No serious neuroscientist or behavioral psychologist would ever tell you that they would not be able to understand an information, especially if you present it at a level that they would be able to understand. Hindi masyadong complex yung explanation. Does a child understand the consequence of the action? There is a direct consequence to the action. Pag ikaw ka, matitegi. Ngayon, if you're gonna tell me, but that when you explain it to a child, that they would understand the causal structure, that is untenable. Because if a child cannot understand a causal structure, bakla wala ng education. No education system will ever work because all education is based on actually making someone understand the causal structure of the world. So, ano mangyayari? They wouldn't be able to understand math because math requires understanding that proofs lead to a specific equation. And lahat naman tayo siguro dumaan sa math, no? And some people would understand math. Ngayon, meron pa kasing argument na kung taga-Tondo yan or taga-Pilipinas yan, that is another argument that you think that the physical structure of the brain is different if you are from Tondo and if you are living.
That's just actually so discriminatory.
And empirically false.
That is actually very unintelligent.
No, in ang ano kasi no, sabihin kasi na taga Pilipinas, taga Tondo, taga ganyan. I'm gonna tell you, no, Tondo kids are way more mature than people who live in gated villages.
Yeah.
You put a Tondo kid and someone who grew up in Forbes Park together, sheltered life, who between the two of them can actually be able to negotiate a better price in haggling.
Parang ginawa yung batang yung pag-iisip ng bata as parang PWD.
Oo, yeah. Ginawa niya PWD yung isip ng bata. That was his initial reaction dun sa hindi raw kasi naiintindihan ng bata. Pag may ginawa siyang krimen, hindi niya naiintindihan yung ginagawa niya. It's treating children as imbecile.
Yeah,
Yung
but
mga
that's not
bata,
true.
bata lang. Hindi ibig
Bata lang.
sabihin, imbecile sila.
Ang kulang sa kanila, impulse control, which actually gets fully developed at 25 years old. Pero yung understanding, bakla this has already been established time and time again by neuroscientists that even toddlers have already understand the concept of right and wrong, and of course, of fairness. Kaya nga nag-i-experience sila ng jealousy because they feel that things are unfair. They understand that.
Some more
Pero-
and they're getting less.
Oo, pero yung manununtok sila ng bagets because the person has been unfair, that is not yet fully developed. Yung impulse control in order to do that. And because, kasi nga, impulse control gets fully developed at 25 years old. Kaya ngayon yung inaano natin, no, na itong nangyari sa Leyte, they lack impulse control.